lovely viewers, how are you doing? This is Rosetta here with a brand new tutorial where we will create this beautiful tree of life wall hanging. This is a really cool project and I enjoyed creating it. I hope you guys will also enjoy. So let's begin with the video. Firstly, I will take a ring. You can find such in any craft store. I'm wrapping the ring with yarn. Initially it's a bit of struggle, but don't worry, you'll get a hang of it. Once I'm done, I am attaching strands of yarn to the ring. Make a loop and pass the open ends. You can attach as many as you like. Also, you can use as many colors as you like. Also use different kind of laces. You can do whatever you feel like to make it creative and beautiful. So basically I am attaching the strands only at the upper half of the ring. Taking strands and twisting them. This is to create the branches. Just twist them. You can braid, you can twist, you can tie knots. You can do whatever you feel like. Keeping this out of my way. So I'm twisting the strands and bringing them together. In 3 sections, and all the 3 sections are not equal. So keeping in mind that the branches of a tree are not the same, we will randomly pick up strands and twist them to give the shape of branches. Bring all the 3 sections together and tie knot. Secure it tightly, and with the strands which I use to make knot, I will twist and turn around the rest of the strands. I will not take it all the way down. I will leave a gap and secure it. Dividing in parts. so this will give the effect of roots. This tree of life wall hanging looks really amazing, and I really enjoyed doing this project. I added fairy lights to it and it looks super cool. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and do let me know in the comments what you thought about this video, and also if you have any suggestions or requests for any future videos, do let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Love you all. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, and I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Bye bye.